What I have in my hand here is a bolster release, mid-release, automatic with Alabama Damascus steel, buckshot pattern, and amber Stag scales. Thanks to the teaching of my dad, S.Sterling, I was able to get this done in a mere 6 months. That's supposed to be funny. But anyway, I'm going to use this and demo this knife as therapy for my carpal tunnel release surgery that I had done a week ago. I hope it works. So far, so good. Mid-release as well. And I'm not sure, but I think my hand and my wrist is feeling better already. Thank you.